teacher Anna. And what is your name? Okay, very good. How old are you, Mike? How are you today? Okay, where do you live? I live in Hanoi. Okay, good job. We're going to have a speaking test. Okay, look at the picture first. Okay, teacher will tell the first part. Okay? Jane finds the cow. The first part, the first picture, Jane and his daddy cannot find the cow. Can you tell me the second picture, the third picture, and the fourth picture? It's your turn. Answer now. Louder your voice. Second picture. This is Jane. Go to farm and looking for the, what are you looking for? Cow. And how about the third picture? Okay, go to school. Again. And the fourth picture, can you tell me the fourth picture? Picture 4. Jane find the cow to the classroom, and the classmates are happy to see the cow inside the tractor. Okay, now we're going to have a part 2 speaking test. Teacher will tell the first part. Okay, look at the picture first. Picture 1 will tell by his teacher. Look, the two boys are playing football, and Fred is laying on the ground close to the duck on the lake. Can you tell me the second picture, the third picture, and the fourth picture? The two boys are the picture 2. The two boys are sad, and Fred jump into water. Okay, and the third picture. Catch the. Okay, and how about picture 4? Okay, and the picture 4, Fred and the 2 boys are giving them snacks. Okay, thank you Tom and thank you Mike. See you. Can you call the another student? Okay.